A Wankel engine performs the same basic cycle as a piston engine, but its working chambers move around the housing. The shaft axis stays fixed. An eccentric journal circles that axis and carries the center of the triangular rotor. Internal gearing constrains the motion. For 3 shaft rotations, the rotor makes 1 turn in the opposite direction. Each rotor face forms a chamber with the housing. Following one face reveals intake, compression, power, and exhaust. After the intake port closes, the chamber becomes smaller. The trapped mixture is compressed as it approaches the spark plugs. Ignition raises pressure. Force on the rotor face acts through the eccentric, producing torque before the exhaust port opens. The result is compact and smooth, but long chambers, heat transfer, and demanding seals create efficiency, emissions, and durability challenges.